Hello, Captain Starlight here, and welcome to Ultimate Minecraft Adventures, where we journey through Minecraft, having epic adventures and building awesome creations along the way. Today I want you to come along with me as we build the ultimate rocket ship. With 3 different stories to explore and unique items in each, it's going to be a lot of fun. In this episode, I'm looking for an area with lots of stone. Let's start clearing the area and making sure there's heaps of room for the rocket ship. First off, I create a circle to guide with the build. Now that's done, I can place the legs. I set them wide apart to make sure I have enough room for everything else. With the legs in place, I can finally create my first level. I fill in some high walls, then add in the floor of the ship. Now I'll create the huge rocket booster that helps keep us in space. Jumping inside, I build a staircase to get to the next level. Then I start to form the walls that divide each area. In the engine room, I add in a bunch of furnaces to process all the fart power we collect. Around them, I fill the room with iron blocks. This will help contain everything. To add a bit of light, I also use some redstone lamps that spread across the floor. After building a backplate for the rocket, I start to create the 2 storage spaces that will hold all our items from around the universe. To finish this area, I create the roof. We can now start on level 2. Once again, I build some walls and another staircase to the final level. The floor is divided with a walkway and 2 rooms, the sleeping quarters and the living area. The sleeping quarters is a place for captains to catch some shut-eye in between trips, so it's filled with some nice comfy beds and a groovy carpet to make us feel at home. On the other side of this level is the kitchen. This is the go-to place to have a chat or whip up a tasty tuna milkshake. It has enough stoves and bench space to make sure no one spills their snacks. I add some more carpet, then continue into the hallway, and finally finish the level by adding another roof. The final level is the control room, where all the magic happens. After building the walls, I work on the large lens that helps us see into space. I then start to build the iconic blue pointed roof, making sure it's all even for when we take off. On the inside, I add in some glass blocks to fill the space with light. But why stop there? I add in frog lights to the floor and ceiling, giving the room a nice yellow glow. Next is the control podium. It rests on the iron blocks and has a bunch of lecterns that can be used to take care of the rocket ship. I extend the area, adding buttons and switches. Now I can start to work on the control floor, adding in more lecterns, some comfy chairs, lots of buttons and some decorations. To finish off this build, I add in our iconic carpet, some more bits and bobs, and finally the main control seat that drives the rocket ship. And perfect! This is the ultimate rocket ship. Imagine zooming your way across space, meeting all sorts of cool aliens and collecting artifacts on different worlds. Visit the slimes to check the engine and storage room. Head to level 2 for a nap or a feast, or help control the rocket ship to its next destination. Speaking of, it's time for liftoff in 3, 2, 1, blast off! Well team, that's where our journey took us this time, but who knows where we will go or what we will build next. In the meantime, let me know in the comments if you have something for us to explore or what we should build next. If you'd like to show us your own Minecraft creations, you can send them in to the Planet Starlight website and we can share it to everyone on our live shows. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos. See you soon!